Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I want to show you how you can turn on red using sound sensor. So let's start. So we find our board. I have a STM32F103C8T6. Select this one. So already first to go to the system core, system, debug serial wire. And then first we have to turn to choose the pin for connecting red and choose the pin we have to connecting our sensor. So first we need to choose PA1 as an analog pin. This one is supposed to be output for our red, and then connecting PB9 where to take this one is the input because take the signal from our sensor. So and then already is done, configuration is done, and then go to the generating code, and then you have to put in the name sound sensor red. So and then you have to choose STM32Cube if you want. For me, I prefer to use a K that it choose MDK. And then open project. Go to the main.c, and then I have to go there, here, and then declare variable var equal 0. I'll put into var equal 0 and toggle equals 0. Okay, and then go to the while loop, and then say var equal GPIO. This var have to store the signal from our sensor. So that's why this var is the input pin and it's supposed to be reading pin because have to reading the signal from our sensor. So you get it. So hurry, we don't forget because we're using a hurry library, hurry GPIO. Reading pin, we put in GPIO, GPIO B, we're connecting to the B, and GPIO pin number is pin 9. Yep. And then after the signal, our sensor getting the signal and the signal stored to the vary, if what is next, the next is if if vary is equal 1 and toggle is equal 0. This means what? Let's repeat this one and then talk a few things like GPIO, GPI A, GPIO, pin 1, and setting the export speed is some typical hurry address 1000. So this one, if vary is equal 1, the first, we know at the beginning our vary is equal 0, even the toggle is equal 0. So when this when the our sensor have the signal, the vary is supposed to be 1. If still our toggle is still 0, returning our red connecting to the pin 1 of analog, then this red is supposed to be high. And then if toggle is 1 and the vary is equal 1, the red is supposed to be off. All right, understand? I think this logic is understandable. So, and then vary equal toggle, of course. And then redirect 100. It's okay. Already we done. Let's repeat our code. So already we're done. Our project is ready. You have a 0 error, 0 warning. So what is the next? The next you have to download this code to our STM32 and then go to the road, download. Okay, already done. What is next? The next you have to test our project. Right.
Hello, 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 hello.
Wow, everything is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you. Bye bye.